Hi everybody, welcome to the Canadian Maker Project. My name is Ron, and today I'm going to talk about retro gaming. Yeah, it comes to printing, don't worry about it. So, the idea I was thinking is, I would like to, I always miss the arcades. I grew up in the arcade days. This is when we had these big wooden things that used to stand up, in a noisy room with neon lights, the whole 9 yards, and you control a guy and you make him jump and, do attacks and everything else. I came in just before, just when all the fighting games were coming out, like, Soul Calibur, Super, what was it called? Fighting Vipers, and then you had your Street Fighters, you had your Mortal Kombats. All those games I remember playing, and I remember popping tons of quarters in it, having a joystick and, having like a 6-button configuration going, yeah, die, just playing the games. And I thought to myself, well, now that I have a 3D printer, I wonder if there's any designs out there for that type of thing. And I ran across this one from Thingiverse. This is item number thing 277-1521. And what it is it's a retro joystick. Well, here, have a look. I got one right here. Printed it out. This is the secondary controller because the first controller actually puts the Raspberry Pi inside of it. I'm not a fan of putting the Raspberry Pi in it. If I was going to do a Raspberry Pi, I would keep it out of the controller, something like this, so I can easily hook it up and get it going. But, like I said, not what I would want to do. There's a couple design issues that I still want to touch about first before I get into any gameplay to show you guys that it does work. Is where the holes were placed. One was placed right here. One was placed right here. So this is supposed to be your L and R. I would have rather put them on the side of the controller rather than where they are now. The only reason for that is because pinball. Yes, that's right. You can emulate pinball boards. So, you want to play some old, Terminator 2 pinball. There are pinball emulators out there that you can download and play pinball and just hit the buttons like that. So that's one thing I would change, the whole design of this. I'm actually looking at reprinting this just because I want to make it a little bit more for me. And yeah, I'm going to be asking for help out there because I want to design this a little bit differently just so I can, because I've had friends already ask me, can I buy that off? Can you build me one and buy it off of you? The problem is the print is actually licensed as non-sellable, so I don't know how I would make money, with this, because he kind of says, well, I make money on this on ESA, so you can't sell it. But I'm just wondering, if I have people that want to buy this off of me and willing to pay the money, how do I sell it? If you have any information for that, please place them in the comments down below. I would really appreciate it. But let's go show you a little bit of gameplay on this so that you guys can see this in action and see if it's something that you want to do. And I'm going to be using some emulators to emulate the program, but in all honesty, I do have some of the boards. I do have some of the games back here that are I just don't have them available right now that I can put them onto an emulate, that I can show them on the screen and produce them that way. So stick around. We're going to get into some gameplay. Hi everybody, sorry about that. So we get the game loaded up and we're going to play a little bit. So I've already coined it up a little bit. So let's get into a game, shall we? We want player 1, so I'm going to press the white button. I'm going to show you guys here. Let me go into the game here. So there we go. Left, right. I'm going to take this guy. Press start. We'll press A. So there's punch. There's jump. And there's my cheek button. Well, I was not going to do it now, but you'll see it in the game. I'm going to play a little bit more of this just to give you guys an idea. So it gives you guys an idea of how the joystick works and how good it is. Let's get out of this game and let's load up another one, shall we? How about we load up Mortal Kombat? Okay, so we got Mortal Kombat here loaded up. Let's get it going. So go and get that selected. Go drop in some coins. Now let's pick a character. Now I'm not good at this game, so don't expect anything big. So we're going to see what we can do here. That was going to happen. It was obvious, but, you know, just because I can. We're going to take someone who's a little bit of a easier character I know of. What is it to get? Oh, back and forth. Oh, I can't remember Scorpion's whole thing. Was it kick? It's gonna be cheesy here, guys. I can't remember Scorpion's main move. Believe it or not, it's been a long time. But just to show you that it does work, these are the type of things that I'm interested in playing. So I'll just get out of this for a second here. Well, I thank you for watching all the videos so far that we have done here. And I do know that the jump cuts is a little bit much, but we did it anyways. So if you like my video, thumb it up. If you dislike it, thumb down. Also leave comments. It does help grow the channel. And if you know someone that is into making and you think they will find my videos interesting, please let them know. I want to grow this channel a lot more. I want to be able to show people and showcase all this great stuff. So I want to thank you once again for watching the Canadian Maker Project. If you have any questions, you can always send me an email, Canadian Maker Project at gmail.com. Just one full word, and you can send it on Gmail, and I'll be more than happy enough to reply back. Once again, thank you so much, and have yourselves a great day.